Okay, I just want to work through this one, even though it's done on the content page. So first, we're going to label any triangles. If you've got, don't forget that the angles are always capital letters, and then the sides opposite that angle is going to be its small letters. So if this is capital Z, that must be small z. If that's capital X, then across from must be little x. And we don't want to work with 5'7" and 7'10", so we convert them all to inches. And we can do it off to the side here, showing the conversions what we did, okay? Now we're just going to worry off this triangle and don't get confused. So I still have them all labeled. Some people don't like to label them. We keep them all labeled so you know what you're doing. Since we're looking for side y, little y, since we're looking for capital Y, the angle, we're going to start our formula being y squared equals x squared plus, and we go on from there. So down here, y squared equals x squared plus z squared minus 2xz cos y. Alright, this little guy and this guy at the end are always the same. So that's why it's c squared equals a squared plus b squared minus 2ab cos c. It's always the outside two that are the same. Okay? The other ones kind of fill themselves in. So we show our substitution. Away we go. We start to calculate. 91 squared is here, 67 squared is here, 124 squared is here. 2 times 67 times 124 ends up being this. Now notice this is minus 166.16 times cos of y. So that guy's all stuck together. So don't try and add things up. So when you're combining them, 82, 81 stays there. These guys stay together, alright? You can add those two together, but you can't subtract that because it's stuck to the cos y. So I add those two together, I get 198 minus this. I'm going to take the 198.65 and subtract it. I'm left with here. Now I want y on its own, so I'm going to divide both sides by negative 166.16, and I'm left with cos y equals this divided by this. So cos should really have kept that in here. Cos y equals, so y equals the inverse cos of all that junk, and you can normally just leave that in your calculator and say inverse cos of the answer. Works really well. So y is 45.8, or we can round y is about, that's what the squiggly shaky arrows means, about 45.8 degrees. Okay, and then you should have a concluding statement there for the angle y is 45.8 degrees, and watch out for your units. Okay, so the finding the side one's a little bit easier. Finding the angle one takes a little extra steps, and just be careful.